everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of exercise 9.3, page number 162, question number 5. D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of the side BC, CA and AB of the triangle ABC. So these are the three things which we have to show according to the given figure. So first of all, we are going to start with the first one. In the first one, we have to show that the BDEF, this is a parallelogram. This one we have to prove. So first of all, we are going to take the triangle ABC. Now the triangle ABC, EF is parallel to BC and EF is half of BC by midpoint theorem. So now similarly BD, this is the BD, this is half of BC because D is the mid point. So BD is equal to, this is the BD, this is equal to the EF. Half of BC is equal to BD, so BD is equal to the EF. So now BF and DE are parallel. BF and DE are parallel and equal to each other. So they are parallel and equal to the each other. The pair of opposite sides are equal in the length and parallel to the each other. So BDEF is a parallelogram. This one is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2, we have to prove that the area of triangle DEF is 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC. This one we have to prove. So, in the first one we have proved that the BDEF is a parallelogram. Similarly, BDEF and DCEF and AFDE are parallelograms. Now, diagonals of parallelogram divided into two triangles of equal area. Diagonals of a parallelogram divides it into two equal parts. So, equal parts or area. Now, so the area of triangle BFD is equal to the area of triangle DEF. So, this is the equation number 1. Now, this is for the BDEF parallelogram. Now, area of triangle AFE is equal to the area of triangle DEF. This one is question number 2. This one is for the DCEF parallelogram. Now comes to the third one. Area of triangle CDE is equal to the area of triangle DEF. This is the question number 3, and this is belongs to the parallelogram AFDE. Now we are having these 3 equations. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Now we are going to write from equation 1, 2, 3, area of triangle BED. This one is equal to the area of triangle DEF. Now this DEF is equal to the area of triangle CDE. Now this DEF is equal to the area of triangle AFE. So according to this one, 4 of them are equal to each other. So now we are going to, now they are equal to each other, and when we add them, they are equal to the triangle ABC. So we are going to write here area of triangle BFD is equal to plus area of triangle DEF plus area of triangle CDE plus area of triangle AFE. This one is equal to the area of triangle ABC. Now these are equal. Now DEF is equal to 3 of them. So at the place of this one, I am going to write 4 DEF. 1 is there and 1, 2 and 3. So 4 times of area of triangle DEF is equal to the area of ABC. Now area of triangle DEF is equal to the area of triangle ABC. We are going to transpose this 4. This is getting multiplied by coming on the right hand side. This will divide. So the area of triangle DEF is equal to the 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. So this one we have to prove in the question, hence proved. So this is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3 we have to prove that the area of parallelogram BDEF is equal to the half of area of ABC, the triangle ABC. So in the part 3, area of parallelogram BDEF is equal to the area of triangle DEF plus area of triangle BDF. Now BDE. Now area of parallelogram BDEF is equal to the area of triangle DEF plus this one is also equal to the DEF. So I am going to write here area of triangle DEF. Now area of BDEF is equal to the 2 times of area of triangle DEF. Now as we know that the DEF is equal to the 1/4 of area of ABC. So area of BDEF is equal to 2 multiplied by 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now area of parallelogram BDEF is equal to the half of area of ABC. This one we have to prove, hence prove. This is the part 3. With this one we have completed the question number 5. In the next video we are going to start with the question number